Hey everybody, I hope we're all keeping well. Today's video is going to be 5 tips on how you can combat hair loss. Yes, I know hair loss is something that so many young lads struggle with. I saw it a lot when I was cutting hair and it honestly just broke my heart. But there's good news. I have good news for you today. It doesn't have to be permanent. Yes, there are tons of ways you can combat hair loss without getting a hair transplant. And if you're receding all the way back, yeah, probably a good idea to head over to Turkey, but this video is for everybody who isn't in that place, who's sort of in purgatory right now. I'm going to teach you how you can stop your hair loss. There's a ton of common causes of hair loss, such as your genetics. It could just be age, hormonal changes, poor nutrition, and stress. So no matter why you're receding, we're going to dive into it today and figure out how we can stop it for you. Well, nobody looks better without hair than do. So why do you want to combat your hair loss? Well, it's very rare that people look better without hair than with. Maybe you're the Rock, I don't know, but most of us are not the Rock. So we're not going to look better without hair than we do with hair. That's why we're going to do everything we can today to hang on to it for you. Without further ado, let's jump into these 5 actionable steps you can take today to stop your hair loss. Number 1 is simply just to adopt a healthier lifestyle. In terms of your lifestyle, there are 3 main things that will contribute to your hair loss. 1 being exercise, 1 being your diet, and the last being stress. Exercise is pretty simple. You just want to increase blood circulation. This can be running, weightlifting, whatever. Just get out there and do more exercise. In terms of your diet, you want to be getting a lot of protein in there, a lot of iron as well, and omega-3 fatty acids like mackerel and smelly fish, basically. Finally, in terms of stress, what we're going to want to do is lower what we call our cortisol levels. You can do this with a few things. You can do meditation, deep breathing, yoga. I know you're going to think you're this spiritual person now, whatever, but unfortunately beggars can't be choosers. So yes, that's tip number 1, to adopt a healthier lifestyle in terms of your exercise, your stress management, and your diet. Moving on to tip 2 now, we're going to use some biotin. Now, I know you're asking, what is biotin? Now, it's been scientifically proven that consuming biotin can improve the structure of keratin in your body. And keratin is basically the protein that is responsible for regrowing hair. This right here is the biotin I use. It's from Suns. I just take 1 of these little capsules a day. I like to do it just after I'm finished brushing my teeth, just so it's sort of regimented into my routine. And this is just going to help the structure of your hair overall. It's not going to regrow your hair overnight. If you want to do that, you're going to have to incorporate some of the other tips in this list, but it's definitely going to help the structure of your hair. This particular one contains 30 capsules and I'm actually on a subscription for it, so I just get them sent to my door every month by Suns. And Suns have been kind enough to sponsor this video, so if you want to try them out for yourself, use the code Gavin30 for 30% off your first order. So that was tip number 2, to use biotin for your hair. Now, tip number 3, arguably the most important one on this list, is to use Monoxil. And I know what you're asking right now, what even is Monoxil? Well, Monoxil is a topical solution that you apply to the scalp, which will help with hair density and hair regrowth. Consistency is key. It's going to be important to take them on a consistent basis. It's generally recommended to apply Monoxil twice a day. Monoxil can also be a lot more budget friendly, especially than a hair transplant that can cost between 2 and 10,000 euro. And they're going to do the same thing. They're going to slow down your hair loss and they're going to promote hair regrowth. So that was tip number 3, to use Monoxil. On to tip number 4, which is going to be choosing the right shampoo for your hair. You're going to want to look out for some ingredients such as argan oil, saw palmetto, vitamin B3, and rosemary oil. If you are losing your hair, I recommend the strengthening shampoo that I have here from Suns. Again, it's a DHT blocking shampoo, which I mentioned earlier. But what is DHT? Well, DHT is a byproduct of testosterone. It binds your hair follicles together, which leads to shrinkage and eventually hair loss. So it's very important to be using some of this if you are losing your hair. It's recommended to use this in the shower daily. Massage it into your scalp for 30 to 60 seconds before rinsing it out with warm water, not hot water. And once again, if you want to pick some up for yourself, you can head to the link in the description. And don't forget to use the code Gavin30 for 30% off your first order. So that was tip number 4, to use the correct shampoo for your hair. Now we're on to tip number 5, which is natural remedies. You can start implementing a scalp massage into your routine, or start using essential oils such as lavender oil and rosemary oil. And you can even look into herbal supplements. You can also try microneedling, which is when you needle your hair follicles in order to promote regrowth. However, before implementing anything on this list, it's important to consult with a professional. That was tip 5, and that concludes our list. Just to recap, we want to adopt a healthier lifestyle. We want to use some biotin, Monoxil, finasteride, choose the right shampoo for our hair, and explore natural remedies such as essential oils. For the best results, you're going to want to combine everything in this list and do your own research, and over time you'll find out what's working for you and what's not. You can drop them from your routine or add them in. And if you have any tips on your own, I would really appreciate if you could leave them down in the comments, and feel free to share your personal experiences there too. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you very much to Suns for sponsoring it. Once again, if you're interested in trying out any of their products, there'll be a link in the description. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a like, and if you're interested in more hairstyling content, if you could hit that subscribe button, that'd be amazing. So yeah, I'm really trying to post more here on YouTube, so stay tuned for more videos. Anyway, once again, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.